Dr. Noah Walman. I'm part of the Prince Edward Family Health Team. I was actually born in the U.S. I grew up most of my formative years in Toronto. Did medical school in the Caribbean in St. Martin, 3 years in Chicago. Following that, I started practicing in Toronto, so I basically have now transferred to a very rural type medicine, so it's been a very interesting change. My wife and I had talked a little bit over the years about moving out of the city, but that had never really been a serious conversation. Every time we came here, we noticed that as soon as you turn off the 401, all that tenseness from like living in the city would fall away kind of thing. We have 2 children, and we had kind of decided that we wanted to raise them in a different environment, and not in the city. We wanted more space. So all these things kind of came into play, and I had reached out to the family health team here and started investigating kind of what the options were. I got really excited when I heard about how many things you can do here as a family doctor. If you want to work a little bit less in the office and a little bit more in the hospital, or more in the ER and less on the hospital floor. And if you're into teaching, we have the residents from Kingston coming here. If you want to take time off, there's locums available. So there's just so much opportunity here. You see your patients in clinic, and if they get admitted, you're caring for them in the hospital, and you discharge them and you see them afterwards in clinic. I mean, my office is located right across the street from the hospital, so if you have to run over there at lunch to do something or see a patient or talk to a nurse or something like that, it's really easy just to kind of run over and do it and come back. Everybody really supports each other, so if there's a new hotel or a new winery or a new art gallery or something like that, everybody from all the other art galleries, other wine comes and supports that person. Rents are a bit more reasonable, and so getting into whatever small business it is much more achievable or attainable. Cost of living is much more affordable. The county is a great place to work, but also a great place to play and live. It's obviously awesome in the summer when we have all the lakes and family bike rides, stop up at wineries and breweries. There's an alpaca farm, but also in the winter with sandbanks, with cross-country skiing and hockey and skating and tons of trails. I kind of just think there's a little bit of everything for everyone here.